In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear hatch lift supports on your Volvo XC90 located on the rear hatch. Now with the rear hatch open, you may want to have someone assist by either holding the hatch in the upward position or use something to prop it up. Once you pop this off here, the hatch may come down because normally one is not enough to support it. Now we're going to start with a pocket screwdriver. Right on the side here, there's going to be a metal band. We're going to go ahead and install our pocket screwdriver, and we need to undo or remove this little metal clip. This clip holds this onto the ball stud. With this supported, pull this out and away off of the ball stud. It's just a ball and socket design. Now if you go up to the other end, it is identical up top there. Use your pocket screwdriver, go into the little notch on the back side, pry out the little metal band, and pull this off. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and clean off the ball stud. Get any dirt and debris off of these. You're going to do this on both sides. Now I like to go ahead and apply a little bit of silicone paste on the ball stud on both of these. Not a lot, just enough to help keep that lubricated. Now the new lift supports come with the clips already installed. So all we have to do is we're going to start with the top one, line this up, and press it on. That's it. It just snaps on, give it a little tug. This one here, you want to make sure that it lines up, so you can go ahead and twist the end here, line that up. And you may have to lift the rear hatch support to get this to line up a little bit better, and then push that on just as we did the upper. There it is. Now we're going to repeat this process for the driver's side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.